In this video, I will show you how to add clickable links to Canva. So before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So what you're gonna have to do is, first of all, you're gonna have to create a design. So I'm gonna create a blank one, and let's say I'm gonna use this one here. So I'm gonna use this template here, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply select where you want to create the link, where you want to add this link. So you're gonna have to simply, so I'm gonna choose this text here, and you're gonna have to select it and then simply click on more, and then you're gonna have to click on link. Now here what you're gonna have to do is simply enter a link. So I'm gonna copy this my YouTube channel link, and then I'm gonna paste it right here, and then I'm gonna click on done, and basically that's it. So what you're gonna have to do next, so let me go back here. So as you can see, if you want, you can add this as an embed, or you can add display as a link like this, as you can see. But if you don't like this design, what you're gonna have to do is simply leave it like this. Now if you want to make this design interactive, so let's say you want to send this file to someone, and when they click it, they're gonna get redirected to that page. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on share. Now click on download, and then here it's very important. So when you go to file type, don't select PNG. You're gonna have to select PDF standard, and then you're gonna have to click on download. Now after that, you're gonna have to simply wait. So you're gonna have to wait until this loads up, and then I'm gonna open this in my browser, and basically when I click on it, as you can see, I can select it. I'm gonna get redirected to my YouTube channel. So basically that's all you have to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.